if you understand that we don't have a one germ causing one disease paradigm that was an illusion manufactured. Instead, what we have are disease processes and mechanisms of the body that are trying to return it to homeostasis and are putting off things that it doesn't want while craving or pulling in things that it does. And this is the operations. Now, from a microbial perspective, we're teaming with it. More cells than our own cells are of these life forms inside of us. And from the blood, we, back when Beauchamp found these small, very tiny looking blobs that he described as little cells, basically, like somatids. And they seemed to change not only shape when the terrain was damaged, but also size. So there would be larger sized cocci, for example, which are sort of cylindrical, round shape, and then there were cylindrical ones, and they would change from one morphing into another, which meant also their function was changing. And he described a 16-stage pleomorphic cycle that we have in our bodies operating. And what was described is that when we're in a state of health, this is dormant within us, doesn't go into its bloom. When we are in a state of dis-ease, which also can be caught maybe years before any symptoms have manifested. So can you imagine if we just stop this nonsense of science ignoring science, where they actually would be humble enough to say, maybe we're wrong and we should look at this? The levels of diagnostics that we could have for people would be so elegant. Just looking at a bit of dry blood in a holographic manner would be enough to indicate to us what was going on, or seeing if the somatid cycle is active in someone would tell you within 1 to 2 years that person is going to be expressing a chronic disease. That would mean you're way ahead on your prevention game just by a quick little blood check to see if you have active somatids going on or not. That's it.